Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and save videos from Instagram directly to your camera roll or phone gallery. So let's get right into it. I'll show you how to save others' videos and your own videos, both methods. First, let me show you how to save your own posted videos. If you want to save your own video posts from Instagram, here's a quick and easy method. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on the video post you want to save. Tap the three dots on the top right corner. Select Remix from the options. On the bottom menu, scroll to the right and tap the download icon. This will save the video directly to your phone's gallery. Another way to save own video is sharing the video in Story by the method shown on the screen. Click Share icon, then click Add to Story. Here at top side, click on Menu and here you will save option. It will take few seconds and it will be saved in your phone gallery. 2. Now let's save others' videos, reels or posts. Now, if you're trying to download videos from other people's accounts, keep in mind that doing this is generally against Instagram's terms of service, unless they've turned on downloads. If downloads are not enabled, you can use a trusted third-party website like SnapInsta. First, copy the video link. Tap Share, Copy Link on the video. Go to snapinsta.app in your browser. Paste the link and tap Download. Then save the video to your gallery. Use this at your own risk, as third-party downloads are not officially supported by Instagram. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.